Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Vitamin C Serum Deconstruct, full guide. Start with a gentle cleanser, then pat your face dry and ensure hands are clean. Dispense a pea-sized amount of serum onto fingertips and warm it slightly between your hands. Press the serum into cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin using light upward motions. Allow the serum to absorb fully for 1 to 2 minutes before adding moisturizer or sunscreen. Gently press the serum into the skin for optimal absorption, moving from the center of the face outward. Focus on areas prone to dullness or uneven tone, and use lighter pressure on the under-eye area without touching the lash line. If layering with other actives, wait until the serum absorbs fully, then follow with moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning. Consistency and gentle application will help maintain brighter, healthier-looking skin. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more skincare tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I love. They keep post-mask snacks tidy and stress-free. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Apply Vitamin C Serum in the morning to benefit from its antioxidant properties under sunscreen, or use it at night if preferred. Pairing with a hydrating hyaluronic acid product helps boost moisture and maintain a smooth barrier. Be cautious when mixing with strong exfoliating acids or retinoids. If you plan to combine actives, introduce them slowly or alternate nights. Always finish with broad-spectrum sunscreen during the day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.